everyone, it's Melanie, and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. I would like to start out by thanking Sam's Club for sponsoring today's video. We are going to be decorating a balcony slash patio area for a military family with a very minimalistic style. Now is the perfect time to start getting your outdoor decor ready for Memorial Day, the 4th of July, the summer months, Veterans Day, and the list goes on. The Members Mark brand has been offering amazing quality and prices to its members since around 1998. And they have been raising the bar ever since. However, it was time for a bit of a re-innovation. So in 2022, they raised their standards even higher to make an even bigger impact and to showcase their vision and position as a regenerative leader. Quality has always been one of our bedrock principles here at Living Luxuriously for Less, and the Members Mark products offers just that, as they are made with both the members and our planet in mind. Thus, it is the motivational factor behind being committed to and co-creating quality, high quality, innovative products that people can not only love but trust. And that is the key for me when I'm selecting pieces for families. The patio to me is a place where many memories will be made, where naps will be taken, where time will be spent. So today I'm on a mission to find the perfect pieces for this family to enjoy for years to come. So with that being said, let's get started and get headed to my local Sam's Club. We're gonna shop for the perfect pieces together. Okay guys, we are here at my local Sam's Club. This is actually my favorite area, and it is as soon as you enter, this is kind of where they keep all of the seasonal items, and right now it is filled with items for your patio or outdoor space, and that is exactly what we're looking for today. So these products are by Members Mark. I absolutely love the quality. I love the affordability of it in terms of, you know, when you compare it to the quality. And so I just can't decide what I want to go with. So this particular bar area, I love, like I absolutely love it. This patio, I purchased this set last year for a client, and I love the little fire pit in the middle of it. It is so comfortable, you guys. But for this particular space, I think we need something smaller. So I'm thinking more along the lines of a conversation set like this. Now, I love an ottoman because I like to kick my feet up and take a good nap on the patio. There is nothing like a patio nap. You guys let me know in the comments if you're with me. There is absolutely nothing like a patio nap. Okay, you guys, so I think I'm gonna go with more of a conversation set. So I'll take a look online to see if I can find something just a tad bit small. But you guys, before we do that, let me show you guys this really quick. I absolutely love the Sam's Club app. You can actually scan and check yourself out in the store. So I found a lot of accessories that I'm going to be using on the patio, outdoor pillows, rugs, fresh plants. They do sell beautiful fresh foliage, and so they have a lot of their tropical plants out right now, and I really want the space to be, because they're so minimalistic, I also want it to be very natural and just sustainable, and so I'm going to be adding a lot of fresh foliage to the space as well. Okay, you guys, so we decided to go with the Members Mark Cahaba 4-piece small space seating set. This is perfect if you have a balcony, or if you are living in an apartment or a townhouse that has a very small space. I was really worried at first about the layout, but I played around with it, and you guys, I think I came up with the perfect layout to allow them to enter and exit out of the door really easily. So I decided to put the love seat kind of on the left hand side, the table in the middle, and the 2 chairs on the opposite side, which is perfect for conversations. And you can also prop your feet up on the table if you kind of wanted to rest it, because it has an area underneath, like a storage space underneath, where you can also prop up your feet. So I thought that looked really nice. I absolutely love the mixture of the wood and the wicker. It just looks really high quality, and I just think the overall look is amazing. So next up, I'm going to add all of the pillows and put those in place and get to designing the space. So I'm going to stop talking for now, put on a little music, and you and I can decorate the space together. Okay, so now that all of the pillows are in place and the rug is in place, I can definitely see the space coming together. I just love this natural wood look. It just looks absolutely incredible. And I think that they're really going to love this. There are so many options on samsclub.com. So you guys can go and check it out to find the perfect pieces for your outdoor oasis. Next up, we are going to add some throw pillows. I just think they add so much character and style to the place, and also an extra level of comfort. And I also picked these up at Sam's. They are indoor-outdoor pillows, and so you don't have to worry about them mildewing or anything like that, and they will hold up throughout the elements. I have purchased, as I said, some patio furniture in the past for other clients, and it is held up beautifully well. You will also see me accent the space with just natural elements like plants and a throw blanket, just to make it a little bit more comfortable and cozy. And so I love adding that throughout the space as well. So next up, we are going to start decorating the coffee tabletop. I'm just adding in a few things that are, that can be both decorative and functional. So the first thing I added was the tray, and then the tic-tac-toe board, and a book, because he absolutely loves reading about crypto. And if you say hello to him, he will find a way to incorporate crypto into the conversation. So I just think that it really blends well with their personality and their family function, how their family functions. And so I think that's such a important part of decorating. Think about how the family functions and what brings them joy. On the opposite side, of course, I have the two chairs, as I mentioned before, along with the foliage that we picked up on those sides as well. And I just think it turned out absolutely incredible. So for all of you minimalists out there, I repurposed a lot of the things from inside of their home to the patio and just added in those fresh foliage. So you guys let me know in the comments if I did a good job. From a minimalistic standpoint, let me know. Also, I love the fact that it has the bottom area that you can store additional things on, and they also come with the protective covers for the patio furniture, so in case of rain, even though this has a roof over it, it can still protect it. So in the case of rain or inclement weather, you can easily slide this onto your furniture. It folds up in a very compact square, but you can also easily add it onto your furniture to protect it in inclement weather. And it is also included with the set, which I thought was just absolutely incredible. It was an absolutely incredible find, and the fact that it came with the set was just amazing. So here is what it looks like all covered up. I just absolutely love that the covers were included. I think that it really adds to the durability of your furniture, the longevity of your furniture, and it just gives you that peace of mind, whenever there's a sudden change in the weather, etc. And the fact that they were included in the actual set was definitely an added bonus. And that's a wrap, you guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Thank you so much, Sam's Club, for sponsoring today's video. I hope that you guys found something inspirational or motivational to inspire you as you create your own space, your own pocket of peace, your own outdoor oasis in and around your home. If you are interested in the patio that I shared in today's video, I will link it down in the description box below. They have so many amazing products that you guys can check out. So head on over there, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers.